Okay. Follow up from the exit ticket yesterday. You might recall you got this table and you were asked to first of all figure out what the value of k is. In that case, we know that everything down here has to add up to 1, so it's literally just a third plus a fourth plus a fifth, and then subtract that all from 1 to get k. Sorry, I did that right here. You could definitely transfer to decimals if that's easier for you, or you could get a common denominator, which is 60. So work it all out, and you should end up getting that k is 13 out of 60, basically. Long story short. Okay. That one people did pretty well with. 15 out of 23 people just got that completely correct. 1 out of 23, one person just got it not correct. 4 people said, like, I'm confused, I don't really know what to do. And then 3 people just did not answer. Okay, second part was, what is the probability of getting a sum of 4 after 2 rolls? So in that case, you would either need to get a 1 followed by a 3 followed by a 1, or to get 2 2s in a row. And because the probability of getting a 1 and a 3 or a 3 and a 1, even though those probabilities are the same, but there's 2 different options for getting them, the way that you would solve this is you would take the probability of getting a 1 multiplied by the probability of a 3. That's like first a 1 and then a 3. And then this would be a 3 and then a 1, and you would add to that the probability of getting 2 2s, so your total probability was 0.207. Now, some people, it seemed, did seem to interpret this incorrectly, and maybe just thought that it was like just getting a 4, in which case lots of people just answered a fifth. But be careful that you're reading it of like the sum of a 4 after 2 rolls. So like could be argued that maybe more people did better. 4 out of 23 got the same answer that I did. 12 out of 23 got some other answer, but some of those could be arguably here-ish correct. Probably not by the IB, but arguably. 4 people said that they were confused, totally fine. And again, 3 people just did not answer. Maybe you guys signed off, not quite sure. Anyways, let me know if you have questions. Happy to follow up with you. Cool.